Bonafide Hustler here, and we got some neighborhood-wide garage sales, actually one neighborhood, and we're just gonna do some garage sales in general today, and I wanna take you along with me. Let's see what we can find. I swear, Austin has construction 24/7 now. This is just crazy, man. We're headed to a neighborhood that's right up there. And this neighborhood is hit or miss, but it's kind of an older neighborhood, so the chances of finding antiques and stuff and retro vintage things is kind of high. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chris, I'm the Bonafide Hustler, and I reside in Austin, Texas. And in this video, we're gonna be hunting around for some used things that we can sell for more money that we find at garage sales. I can't wait to see what we find. Hey, if you wanna learn some of this stuff, there is a guide, it's right here. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you some items that you should start looking for at thrift stores and garage sales that you can sell for more money. It's free, first link. Get a left at the next light, and then the neighborhood is over there. And we're just gonna give it our best shot. We'll see what happens. After this neighborhood, I mean, it's gonna be super improv garage sales. I don't know what I'm gonna see. This is basically what I'm betting on, is right across the freeway. Okay, so from that garage sale right there, and you can kind of tell things are just so chaotic right now. I got this White Mountain ice cream maker. I don't know if you can see it back there. It's a hand crank model, $10. And I think we can get that thing sold for over 100, no problem. But yeah, there's just a lot of garage sales right now, and they're just everywhere. So just looking around to see if this is worth it or not. I see a deer mount here. I'm gonna stop at this garage sale. So from that garage sale right over there, I picked up this Ronix District 134 centimeter wakeboard with bindings. Pretty cool. It's 12 bucks. So that will probably be a $100 to $200 sale. You know, I'm still looking for some big hitter items today, but the garage sales are a little thin after this neighborhood. But yeah, I didn't get that deer mount. That deer was $200. It's crazy. I was like hoping for 50. But yeah, you know, there are some cool things in this neighborhood. It's an older neighborhood. Finding the wakeboard's pretty good, and also obviously finding the White Mountain ice cream maker right there is pretty good too. But I still want something big. Cheddar Quest time. We gotta find something better. All right, I found a garage sale randomly, and they're just putting stuff out, which could be huge, you know. Maybe I'll find something here. So I came from this garage sale right here. We're like 30 minutes down the road, maybe even an hour down the road, because I went to the farmer's market, then I got a croissant. I found something from that garage sale for 12 bucks. Two things. The first thing is this really awesome rug right here. I think it's wool. It's just itchy, it's beautiful. I think this is gonna sell for like 100 bucks, to be honest. It's a really nice rug. So I got that, that was 10 bucks. And then for 2 bucks, I got this cool tote that is made of very thick suede. Amazing quality. Look at this thing. It opens like this. It's just really cool. Anyway, this will probably be 50 bucks, maybe 100 bucks in the booth, if not more. But yeah, some good scores, not too bad. I feel like this is gonna be a really short garage sale vlog, simply because the garage sales today, outside of that neighborhood wide, which only had like 7, they're just so few and far between and spaced out. And I'm in like the big spaceship, so it's like, I don't know, it's like going from one far one to another far one, like all that. So I think this vlog is gonna be a little bit on the shorter side. I'm gonna see one more, and hopefully we can find something there.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
All right, there's one last yard sale that's sitting back in there. So we'll go check this out. Okay, so I actually did find something at that last garage sale of the day. I have to rescue these things when I find them. I'm a sucker for a good RC flip. And these are some vintage ones, but they are vintage consumer grade. Check this out. We got a Nico Big Bubba right here. Some flat spots on the tires, but we have the controller. I'll be able to test it out, not a big deal. It's pretty cool. Usually these things go for like 50 to 130 bucks, but in this condition, we'll see if I can get it tested out. We could be looking at 100 bucks right there. Paid 20 for both, by the way, 23 actually. And then this one right here is just a really cool looking Radio Shack Turbo Buggy, no controller. This is gonna be tough to test out, but still. Both of these for 23 bucks, I have to rescue them. This thing's probably $50 to $100 alone, I would think. Okay, so for not being a good garage sale day in terms of quantity, I didn't think it was that bad of a day. I've only been out for like 3 hours, to be honest. And then I still got the eggs and all this other stuff, farmer's market. Had a croissant, you know, I was kind of lax on my schedule. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. What do you guys think? Comment down below. It's a short vlog. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.